How to fix Vimeo not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix Vimeo not working. So perhaps maybe after logging into your account, you're not able to record, you're not able to upload videos or do things on Vimeo. It can be caused by different reasons. The first thing is for you to check your internet connection. So check your internet connection and be sure if your internet connection is strong and stable enough for you to be able to stream videos, record videos, or view videos on Vimeo. That's the first thing that you should do. And then after doing that, and you realize that your internet connection is stable, but Vimeo is still not working, another thing you can do is by clearing your browser cache and data. And how do you do so? Move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three vertical dots, click on it, and then in the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select settings. And once you see that, just click on settings, and then you'll be taken to your settings page. Once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see options like you and Google, also fill and password, privacy and security, performance, appearance, default browser, etc. Just go ahead and click on privacy and security, and then scroll down on the privacy and securities page until you can see delete browsing data. So select that, and so you can see cookies and other site data, catch images and files. So scroll down and click on delete data, ensure it is cleared and deleted, and then once you've done that, click on it again and click on advanced. All right, so after clicking on advanced, select the time range of the data that you would like to delete, and uh, just go ahead, scroll down again, move to the bottom part, and then click on the delete data button, and then you can now try reloading the page. Okay, and then go back to your Vimeo and try it again. That's another thing you can try. Then if it still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to turn off your hardware acceleration. All right, put off your PC for a while, let's cool off, and then put it back on, then log in again and try your best. Another thing you can do is to update your browser. Make sure that you are using the latest version of your browser, and if you've tried that and it's not working, try another browser. Okay, there are different browsers that you can use. You can make use of Microsoft Edge, you can make use of Firefox, you can make use of different kind of browser. So try another browser, and then if you've tried all of this and it still doesn't work, the last thing you should try is to reach out to the customer support. So how do you reach out to customer support? Open a new tab, and the search box type out Vimeo Help Center. Then you'll be brought to the Help Center's page. So click on Vimeo Help Center. Then you'll be taken to the Help Center's page. So on this page, you can now decide to ask your question. All right, by moving to the top part of the screen, top right corner, and click on Contact Us. Then you can ask your question, your concerns. You're trying to log in, it's not working. You've tried to this, that, and it's still not working. And then a solution will be provided. So that's it. This is how you can fix Vimeo not working. Thanks for watching and have a good day.